Take a ride in the 2022 Maverick. The Ford Maverick is a rear-wheel drive compact car styled with a long hood, fastback roof, and short deck for a sleek, curvaceous design. Its muscle car-themed trim package includes a distinct hood and spacious interior and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, front-wheel drive, headlights auto-off, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.